We are in the nandito na tayo sa may hanging bridge. Oh my gosh, it's old hanging bridge. So let's go. Oh my gosh, what? Oh, ay nako. Oh my gosh, it's an old hanging bridge, you know, here in Baguio, Nueva Vizcaya, going to Nanshakan, Kayapan, Nueva Vizcaya. So here we go. Okay, yeah, we're going to, oh my gosh, I'm scared, you know, because this hanging bridge is almost, I don't know if how many hours. So okay, let's go, let's fight the fear. Oh my gosh, wow, oh my gosh, you know, my fear is always, oh my gosh, there you go. Oh my gosh, I can't do it. Oh my gosh, slowly, yeah, slowly more. Oh my gosh, I can, oh my gosh, my fear is going to, oh yeah, here we go. Oh, the water is very, yeah. Oh my gosh, it's slanting, you know, do you see it? The water is oh my gosh, the water is, oh my gosh, I don't know. Oh my gosh, pag nahulog ka dito, hindi ko alam kung patay ka na or buhay ka pa or whatever, hindi ko alam. I'm scared, you know, because the water is tingnan nyo naman. Oh my gosh, parang tingnan nyo, scary. What a bridge, old bridge going to Nanshakan, Kayapan. Oh my gosh, my feet is going oh, I don't know. Oh my gosh, yeah, see it, it is dangerous. Ay nako, hindi ko alam kung makakayanan nyo ito. Tingnan nyo yung inaapakan ko, isang lang, semento. Oh my gosh, tapos may pa siya ganito. So pag pumunta ka dun sa may gitna, kiwing pa yung kiwing siya. Hindi ko alam kung makakaya ko ito. Oh my gosh, the water, ang daming tubig, malakas talaga, malakas. I don't know. Okay, so we will try. There. Okay. Yeah. Meron na yung mga kasama ko dito. Oh, it's very scary, dangerous. Scary. Yeah. Because, I don't know, that is a wood. That is a wood, not a metal. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Did you see it? It's very dangerous. I don't know if I will. Walang kaya ko ito. Mauna ka nga! Mauna ka! Ito, talaga. Okay mo. Ba yan? Okay. Oh. Tigil isa? Pwedeng dalawa? Pwede? Tara na! I don't know. Oh my gosh! Oo nga, pero nagsishake. Oh my gosh, I don't like it. Oh my gosh, I don't like. Oh my gosh, what amazing. Oh, naku. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my gosh, what amazing. It's all bridge, you know. Oh my gosh! I don't like it! Oh my god! my gosh. It's difficult to go. Ay, nasugat pa ako. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, I'm nervous. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Natatakot din siya. Wow, kinaya mo talaga. Okay, so let's go again. Oo. Pag nalinisan hanggang doon sa baba. Tapos may yung ayan. Gatak pa itin. Hi, at least.